crews in Fort Worth are preparing for possible flooding. The rainfall means an extra eye on several hundred spots across the city that are prone to dangerous water levels. NBC5's Tahera Rahman shows us how they're trying to get ahead of it and safety tips from officials.
The rain always brings some risks. For drivers, that includes water ponding. That's what happened in this car accident on West Freeway Thursday morning. Police say the driver hydroplaned, hitting the median on the right, skidding across all lanes of traffic, and then hitting the bridge on the left. Safely reunited with her loved one, they say, thanks to her seatbelt.
So you look at a tragic accident and someone to walk away with no injuries, that's very, very lucky for them.
It's also a reminder to add more distance when driving.
Right now we have a pause in the weather. So if it changes while you're driving, change your driving conditions.
Another risk, flooding, something city crews are trying to prevent.
We do pre-inspections, and we go out and check all critical culverts, inlets, low water crossings that may overtop to make sure they're clear and free of obstruction before the rain comes.
Juan Cadena has about 21 teams that check over 300 flooding hotspots before every rainfall.
Our goal is to make sure that the runoff goes down the culvert, goes down the drain, and doesn't overtop the roads and create flooding issues.
About 50 of Fort Worth's flooding hotspots have these signs. They're equipped with sensors that detect when rainfall starts to accumulate on these roads, and then flashlights to warn drivers to turn around. You can check the status of these warning signs on the city's website. Green means there's no known threat, yellow means caution, and red means avoid the road crossing.
The lights go on and we get alerted.
Cadena says his team gets dispatched to the area, and they don't take any risks in the rain.
I would say there is no safe depth that you can cross. If the road is overtopped, we're immediately closing that road.
Tahera Rahman, NBC5.